Hi everyone, welcome back once again in this Flutter GetX tutorial series, and in this video we will be talking about Get.height and Get.width to handle screen resolutions. We must have been using media query for handling responsiveness, but if we are using GetX package, then it provides this functionality also to maintain screen responsiveness. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the code right after this intro. This is our previous code. Let's remove this, and in place of this column I'm taking container, and as a child of container I'm taking text widget. Let's save this. Here, this is my container. Let's provide some color. So this is my container and it is taking the exact size according to the content. Now let's provide height width to this container. For now I'm passing static height width 200 and width also 200. So as you can see, this is my container, and let's suppose if I will run this Flutter application in some other screen, in some other mobile phone which has smaller screen size, then this 200 may take 3/4 size of the screen. So to handle this responsiveness so that it may appear like this in every screen size device, we use media query. So for that, media query this one dot of context dot size dot height, and here we need to provide percentage. Let's suppose I want to provide height 50%. You can do either divide this with 2 or multiply it with 0.5. Now if I will save this, you can see it is taking half of the screen. Now if I will run this in tablets, it will take exact half of the screen, and if I will run this app in some smaller screen like 5-inch screen size, it will take 2.5 there. So this is responsive. Now we need to write this code for maintaining the responsiveness, but here GetX is providing to maintain responsiveness with the help of their property. So how we can use it? Let's remove this. So instead of media query, we'll use Get.width. If I will save it now, it will take whole width of the screen. Now if we want to take half of the width, divide it with 2, save it, it is working, or multiply it with 0.75, it will take 75% of the width. Let's save this. You can see that. So like this we can use Get.width, Get.height property in our project with the help of GetX. Let's change this Get.height multiply by 0.75. So with the help of GetX and Get.height, Get.width, we can handle this screen resolution. So like this container, you can take any widget to handle the size. Let's wrap it inside column and make the size like height. I want to take 50% and width I want to take full, and just below that let's take some button, elevated button. For time being I'm not going to provide some function in on press. Pass the text widget here. Let's wrap this elevated button inside size box, and here we can handle height. So Get.height multiply by 0.20 And again for the width, let's take the full width, multiply it with 1, or you can remove that like this, get.width only. Let's save this. Let's change the color of this elevated button so that it is easily visible. Inside elevated button, for changing background color, it has a property of style, elevated button dot style form background color colors dot give it this. Save it. So now you can see we can handle height width of any widget with the help of this. So like this we can make our screen resolution responsive. So that's it in this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like this and share it with your friends, and hope to see you next time in our next video with some other topic related with GetX. Bye for now.